Hi friends!
Coming to you from 217 Porter Street today. Since we've had to suspend open houses, we thought we would take you through a live tour so you don't miss any of the details.
So usually we're coming to you from an open house, but like Kim said, no open houses right now, they're suspended. But the good news is you can still get in to see this with a private showing, and we're here right now to give you all the details and give you a live tour. So, Kim, tell us about the house.
Let's go. So we are in a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath Victorian, super close to Bellevue Country Club. Really awesome, walkable location. Really great condition. The sellers have been here over 20 years. They've really maintained the house nicely, as you'll see as we go through. And I'm excited to show you. So let's go.
It says tons of character and charm, so here we go.
Okay, so here we are walking into the front entry. You'll notice up the stairs, all the beautiful natural woodwork and detail is all still intact, stained glass window. To our left, we have the formal living room with these beautiful windows out front. They let in tons of natural light, beautiful hardwood floors, nice ceiling with the medallion. Really just a pretty open space. So we'll take it down to the dining room. So here we are again, a lot of natural light in this house, which is really, really pretty. We also have 2 built-in china cabinets. Again, the hardwood floors go throughout.
Kim, take it over to these doors. All right, so these are the things that I love. I mean, this is just quintessential Melrose here with the character and charm.
Yeah.
The 5-panel doors. These are the things that everybody wants to replicate when they want to have some like new character or some new finishes, but that old character and charm. And the pocket doors, I mean, it doesn't get more quintessential Melrose than this.
Yeah, the pocket doors are awesome. So they also have a first floor family room, which everybody loves to see. Nice closet space in here. Fireplace, which is pretty. Also, a lot of detail. So the built-in bench seats around the windows are beautiful. Again, lots of natural light. Good floor space in here. And just right off the dining room and kitchen area, so that's pretty convenient.
I don't know about you, Kim, but my buyers are always asking for that like bonus room.
Yeah.
So a lot of times in older homes, in Victorians, and these homes in Melrose, you don't have the bonus room. So there's no place for the toys or the older kids to sort of, retreat with their friends. So you have the formal living room and then you have the den. So this is kind of checking all the boxes.
Yeah, definitely. So we'll head into the kitchen. My favorite part, the built-in wine rack, just kidding, but it is.
No kidding.
I also love this, that they have the sliders right out to the deck. I mean, it's super pretty. Nice center island. Cabinetry is all in beautiful condition. Recessed lighting. We have the skylight for additional lighting in here. Just give you the view going from this way. So really pretty. Stainless appliances, granite, kind of everything everybody's looking for. Really just in super condition. So what did I miss in here, Lauren?
Not a lot. So that goes down to the basement, right? We don't
Yeah.
have to do the basement tour. It goes in the basement.
It does.
And then we do have the little half bath over here. So what everybody's looking for is a half bath on the first floor, and it is perfect space.
Super cute.
The wainscot.
Yeah.
And it's nice that it's not off the kitchen. So many times the bathroom is off the kitchen.
Yeah, I know. Nobody likes that.
Nobody likes that. So let's head up.
All right.
I already pointed out the stained glass window, but I mean,
I
it
did.
doesn't get more Melrose
So
than that.
pretty. Yeah, absolutely. So I'll follow you up.
All
You
right.
take the lead.
So again, this character and charm on the staircase, all the nice woodwork. I know so many people would love to paint it white, but it looks so nice that it's all natural and really well maintained.
Yeah, absolutely.
What's great is you have 3 good-sized bedrooms on this floor. So again, I don't know what you can, but my buyers are wanting 3 bedrooms on the same floor. So it checks all the boxes. You have the bonus room downstairs, a den, and then you have 3 good-sized bedrooms here on the second floor. So everybody can have their own space, and you have a full bathroom. So let's give the tour of the bedrooms.
All right. So we'll start here. This is a really pretty room. Great space. Again, natural light, 2 closets.
So you'd probably use this as the master if you wanted to be on one floor, but we have a treat for you on the second floor.
Yeah,
the third floor, rather,
there's
right?
another option, so a quick view of that. I'll pop in here. This is actually what I like, is you have a separate designated home office space, so you're not giving up a bedroom.
Which how many people would be dying for a home office
Right,
right now?
I am right about now, having to work from home. But it's great space, nice windows, nice natural light in here. It's pleasant to be in and get your work done. So, and not giving up a bedroom is key for me. So second bedroom here.
Hey Pam,
Nice
thanks
size
for tuning
room. Hey Pam. And then we'll take you down the hall here to the third bedroom. Let's see. So again, nice size room, great wall space for furniture placement.
3 good sized windows, bringing in so much natural light, and you have a good sized closet too.
Yep. And then I love this bathroom. I think this bathroom's beautiful.
Look at that window.
So this is so cool, the window in the shower. I mean, you don't see that very often. I love the black and white. I think that's really pretty. There's tons of cabinet space in here, which is great. Lots of counter space for all your stuff. Yeah, I think that bathroom's a winner. I really like that one. So now we'll head up. We'll follow you, Lauren, this up to the third floor.
So, like I said, you could have your master on the second floor if you wanted to be all together on one floor. But let's be honest, here you go. Here is the master. So, third floor, Kim, take it away. This is the master suite.
Master suite. So it's broken down into a couple of rooms, which is nice. They have the skylight here, 1 closet back here. You'll notice the mini split up here, but I did want to mention that there is central air on all 3 levels. They put this in for an additional boost of air. So down here we have some built-ins, which are really nice. A walk-in closet, again with another cool window. Great space in here. Fit all your stuff. And then a private master bath. So the master is a 3/4, meaning just the shower stall. But it's nice to have the privacy of your own master bath up here for sure. And then there's a bonus room Lauren will take you over to.
So, and this house has no shortage of storage and closets. You have this huge closet space for your off-season storage.
Yep.
You could make it into an additional closet if you're like me and always need more room. This room is probably my favorite room of the house.
I know, mine too. I love this room. It's hard to even get a great, I want to be able to get all the detail for everybody. So, yep, so you have the shelving up above with the lighting, which is really pretty. Window, and a second window over here. So, I mean, I think this room has so many possibilities. It's, you know, it makes for just a great den if you want to have your own private space up here with your master. Could be an office.
Could be your no kids allowed room.
Could be your no kids allowed room. Yeah, love that. So lots of possibilities. I think you could probably even come through and expand on the master
Make
bath.
It one big suite. Yeah, with a soaking tub.
Yeah,
And
which would be perfect. Yeah.
So let's bring you back downstairs. And remember, if you want to have a private showing, they are available. If you have any questions, reach out to Kim. But again, I mean, there's so much character and charm here. So many original features and details. I mean, this little window here, did we get this?
Oh, I don't think I did. Yeah, right in the staircase. Really pretty.
It has all...
There's just a ton of charm.
And it has, it checks all the boxes. It has the bonus room on the first floor, the toy room in the den. You have the 3 bedrooms on the second floor all together. You have the master suite on the 3rd floor. And then there's a yard. We should pop out one of the windows.
Yeah, I was just going to say, because there's also a 2-car garage, but because of the weather outside, we haven't gone out. Well, maybe this isn't the best one to show you, but the garage is down here. It does have a nicely landscaped yard, which I will pop out from the window downstairs and give you guys a peek because it's hard to see from that one. So let's see. So we'll go back downstairs And just show you from the kitchen where you can see the garage better, and there's a nice deck for grilling and eating outside, and also some nice level yard space, so valuable space. So here we go. I'll give you the view from here. So there you go, there's the 2-car garage. And a peek at the backyard. The deck is also fantastic. Great for your grill and table and chairs. Just relaxing out here in the summer. So, lots of value for your money here. There's a lot to this house. I'm glad that you guys joined us to take a peek. Hopefully, if you want to make an appointment, you can give a call and we're happy to set that up for you. And if you have questions, I think you know how to find us. So thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys soon. Take care.